You've seen Freddy, you've seen Chucky, but you haven't seen the monkey and the witch from the makers of Equal's Dream. Comes the monkey and the witch coming to a theater near you. Beware. Don't sleep. They're coming to get you. Why am I gonna make this thing up, man? I'm not fucking lying this time. What am I gonna be telling you that a witch came out? I'm serious, it did happen. A witch and a monkey. I know it sounds fucking crazy. Nobody's gonna believe me. But if you know what? You never believe anything I fucking say, and I'm always right, and I always told you I'm right. So we're gonna go to that forest and we're gonna find out. Get a look at this shit. You think I'm gonna make this up? Yes, I'm a fan of all that stuff, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna make this shit up. It really happened, and you're gonna find out. You're gonna be sorry when you find out.
So what the fuck are you doing in the middle of the night? That's bullshit. This fucking witch? Come on, please, you better come up with a better story. That looks like a fucking oil mark. That looks like a burn. You ain't no fucking possessions. That's bullshit. Come on, please, give me a better story. Until you bring me one? Well, you know what? We'll go to that fucking forest. We'll go to that woods or whatever you're talking about. We'll go to there together and we'll prove it ourselves. Meanwhile, fuck this bullshit.
Let's go, we'll go. So we're on our way to the forest now, and you're gonna find out that everything I told you was true. So why are we here again?
We're here because we're actually finally gonna prove you wrong.
You're telling me that I'm not right about this forest shit.
Well, I mean, I don't know where
and
you're
here you are going to, where are we?
I don't know, you're just superstitious.
Superstitious?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what I say is true.
We're just at some park.
What I say is true.
Yeah. You call these bushes? Or the woods?
We'll go see.
It's a park. It's just a park.
Don't believe me, and you'll find out when you see what happens. All right.
All right.
Nobody believes me. You'll see.
All right.
You're gonna be crying to me later.
Right, let's do it.
You'll see. I'm telling you, you're gonna see something here. You don't believe me, you're gonna see it. Nobody believes this. They'll find out soon enough.
Go.
Is that you?